Hello friends, welcome to the video. In this video today we are going to see how to boost up smartphone battery. Battery is a well known as phone's basic power section. The maximum and minimum voltage is mentioned in the battery itself. The charging voltage will be mentioned in the battery. When battery voltage has become low, the mobile will not get charged. When will the voltage of battery will get reduced will be the mobile is not used for a long period of time, it may not work properly. When the voltage gets low, the mobile will not get power on. So at that time we will use a device called a battery booster. The concept of battery booster is to increase the battery voltage level. It helps to increase the voltage of the battery. Each connector is according to the smartphone mobile models. So there are many types of connectors in this battery booster and different names are also given here on the left and right side. The details of battery and the ampere functions are given in the display of battery booster and the output of this is given as the charging indicator. So this process can also be used for boosting up the battery of smartphones. So they have given a microcharger and a input function. Cables are also given. So they have given power cords and USB wires also. I am going to check the battery voltage in multimeter. The charging function will not work when battery voltage is very low. So I am testing it by using the multimeter. I am checking the battery voltage of the battery of a smartphone. And I have checked it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that DC test machine for the input of battery function to know about the input functions of the battery. So I'm going to use the DC test machine for it. I'm going to connect it in the DC test machine, power cord and the battery booster's power cord is going to be fixed in the DC test machine to check the input functions. So I have connected the positive and the negative connectors in the DC test machine. More than 5 voltage should not be given. I am fixing the voltage. The input is denoted in the booster. The battery connector is 12B battery connector. We are going to hold it as in this connector. I am connecting it and the ambience range of battery will be shown here. So the voltage will also be shown here. So I'm connecting it to the smartphone battery booster. So it will be seen here. The amperage range of the battery will be shown here. The voltage will be displayed here with the indicator. So it is boosting here. The battery connector is 12B battery connector as I have said before. I am going to connecting it with the battery with a 12B battery connector in the smartphone booster. and the ambience range is boosting in it. And now I have removed it, and let's check the voltage. So the charging capacity is increased now, so we'll check it first, and then we'll see it indicates us with a blue light, and the charging capacity is increased. And now battery is boosted up. Now I have taken the cables for verification. Now the mobile is charging. So this is the method for battery boosting for smartphones. So friends, hope you all have enjoyed this video. Like, share and comment to our channel. Comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching.